Now see, sixth question. A milk tank is in the form of cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter. Radius is given and length, that means height, is given. Find the quantity of milk in liters. So first what you will do, you will find the volume of cylinder. So you will get volume of cylinder in meter cube, and we know that 1 meter cube is equal, just a minute beta, volume of capacity here also. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So you will write, since, or we know that 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. So whatever volume you are getting, you will multiply by 1000. So you will get your answer in the form of liter. So this question you will solve yourself. Now see, seventh question. If each edge of cube is doubled, how many times will its surface area increase? How many times will its volume increase? Let us start. Now in this situation, first we will assume the side of cube. So let the side of cube be S. Then surface area of cube, formula is 6x square. Now the side of cube is just double, that means 2s. Then surface area of cube is 6s square. So in place of s, 2s we will put. So 6 into 2s, that means 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24s square. What number we will multiply? So again we will get, or in the form we can write the surface area of cube. So 6 4s are 24. So we can write surface area of cube with side 2s is 4 into 6x square. Again we will get 24s square. So 4 equal to surface area of cube with side S. That means when we will double the side of cube, that surface area is 4 times greater than the surface area of side with S. 4 times it will be greater. Which one? With side 2S. Now we will calculate for volume. Let the side of cube be S, already assumed. Now volume of cube is equal to S cube. And when the side is just double, then volume of cube is equal to 2s whole cube. So 2s into 2s into 2s, that means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 s cube. So 8 s cube you can see. And s cube is volume of cube with side S. That means when we double the side, then volume will be 8 times greater than the volume of with side S. Okay? You have to write answers in statement form also. Now see 8th question. Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liter per minute. If the volume of reservoir is 108 meter cube, find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. Now whatever we are pouring in 1 minute, 60 liter. So for that, what we will do first, the volume of reservoir is given in meter cube. We will change this into liter, and then we will calculate the time. How much time the reservoir will take. Let us start. Now see children, given water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liter per minute, and the volume of reservoir is 108 meter cube. Now we know that since 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, then 108, that means 100 meter cube is equal to 108 into 1000, that means 1 10 100, 1000 10,000, like 1 lakh 8000 liter. Now afterwards it's given, because the rate is given in liter, that's why volume I have changed into liter. Now afterwards what we will do? Formula only I have written, no need to write the formula in CW notebook, because speed is equal to distance upon time. So we have to calculate time. So what we will do, no need to write this formula children. Now time taken to fill the reservoir is 108,000 divided by 60, because it's given for 1 minute. Okay, so when you will calculate, you will get 1800 minutes. We know that 60 minutes will make 1 hour, so that much of minutes will be that 1800 divided by 60, so we will get 30 hours. So reservoir will take the time 30 hours. Now what have we discussed? Keep this all things in your mind. Area of a trapezium, half of the sum of lengths of parallel sides. That means parallel sides, first you will add and divide by half, and perpendicular distance between them, that means height. A rhombus, half of the product of its diagonal. Area, surface area of solid is the sum of the areas of its faces. So surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 in the bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Cube, all the sides are equal, so 6L square. A cylinder, 2 pi r plus h. Amount of region occupied by a solid is called its volume. Volume of a cuboid, length into breadth into height. A cube, all sides are equal, so side cube or L cube. A cylinder, pi r square h. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 meter cube equal to 1 tens 100,000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh. 10 lakh centimeter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Just now 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter we have used in 8th sum. So chapter is finished here. Next time we will start next chapter. Okay, bye bye.